there's a rebel, look, right over there on his own. Right over there on his own. They're having a wash. And they've got a little twig. They've got a little twig to stand on to get a bit of dry. Oh, a bit sturdy so they can balance themselves out of the water. I don't know why I'm whispering. I need them to be used to my voice, so if I call them, they're teeny tiny. They must be a few days old. A few days old, guys, if that. Family all standing on a twig, having a preen. Babies and turtles. How amazing. How amazing. In the swamp area. Bless them. There they all are from another angle. All having a bit of a preen and a dry off in the sunshine.